Anyone into woodworking will want to see what Kreg has been up to with their newest lineup of power tools. Known for pocket hole joinery, the brand is now stepping things up with an impressive collection of innovative gear made for makers of all kinds. This time, we are breaking down what each tool does, who it is meant for, and how it can help streamline your projects and workshop routine. Looking for a tool that can handle a mix of tasks with accuracy and control? This 20-volt ionic drive oscillating multi-tool is built to cut, sand, and tackle all kinds of detailed jobs with ease. It offers 6 adjustable speed settings ranging from 7,000 to 17,000 oscillations per minute, giving you the flexibility to match any material. The trigger-style handle with a lock-on button makes it comfortable to use, while its vibration-damping design keeps fatigue low. Swapping blades is effortless with the toolless change system that fits universal accessories, and the built-in LED light brightens up darker work areas. Made with sturdy metal housing and premium gearing, it is tough enough for serious use. For anyone chasing a smooth, professional-grade finish, this 20-volt ionic drive 5-inch random orbit sander packs the right mix of power, control, and comfort. Its variable speed dial lets you adjust from 6,000 to 12,000 orbits per minute, paired with a 3/32 orbit for quick and efficient material removal. The ergonomic design supports both one-handed and two-handed use, while anti-vibration technology keeps it steady during long sanding sessions. A 5-inch hook and loop pad with 8 dust collection holes, a removable dust bag, and a built-in dust port all work together to keep your workspace clean. Sealed buttons protect against debris, adding durability and extending the life of the tool. Getting closer to your work makes a big difference, and this 20-volt ionic drive barrel grip jigsaw is designed to give you that precise control and steady feel you need. The barrel-style handle keeps your hands near the cut line, offering smoother guidance and better maneuverability than a standard D-handle saw, especially in tight spots. It uses auto mode to start cuts gently before increasing speed for quicker performance, while 6 speed settings and 4 orbital modes let you tailor it to any material. Swapping blades is fast with the tool-free T-shank system, and the built-in dust blower plus vacuum port keep the line clear. Dual LED lights brighten your workspace, and the adjustable bevel lets you cut anywhere from 0 to 45 degrees. Compact but packed with performance, this 20-volt ionic drive half-inch drill delivers the ideal mix of strength, accuracy, and reliability for any project. At just 5.9 inches in length, it easily fits into confined areas while still providing 650 inch-pounds of torque for tough drilling and driving tasks. With 20+1 clutch settings, you can fine-tune precision to avoid overdriving screws across different materials. A 2-speed gearbox gives you options between 0 to 500 revolutions per minute for torque-heavy work and 0 to 2,000 revolutions per minute for faster drilling. Built to last, it features an all-metal half-inch chuck and a rugged metal gear housing, while the variable speed trigger ensures smooth, responsive control every time. When you need clean edges and fine detailing, this 20-volt ionic drive 1/4 inch trim router delivers the precision and control every woodworker wants. It starts smoothly with a soft start motor and lets you dial in exact depth adjustments using a rack and pinion system for accurate micro-tuning. Speed is fully adjustable between 10,000 and 30,000 revolutions per minute, giving you flexibility for different materials and techniques. A clear, non-marring baseplate paired with dual LED lights keeps your view of the cut line clear, while the built-in dust port helps maintain a tidy workspace. With die-cast base and sturdy metal housing, it is built tough for demanding projects, and the quick-release base makes bit swaps and adjustments fast and easy. When you want clean, powerful cuts without the bulk, this 20-volt ionic drive 4.5-inch circular saw brings the perfect mix of strength and precision. Its brushless motor delivers high torque for smooth, effortless cutting, especially when paired with the premium, sure-cut fine finishing blade included in the kit. The auxiliary handle adds control for more accurate work, while safety is handled by a soft start motor that eases up to speed and an electronic brake that stops the blade fast. Built with all-metal base for lasting durability, it also features an integrated dust port to help keep your space tidy. Compact yet incredibly strong, this 20-volt ionic drive 1/4-inch impact driver packs serious power into its 4.4-inch frame, making it ideal for tight spots and heavy-duty tasks. It delivers up to 2,200 inch-pounds of torque, giving you the muscle to drive large screws and bolts with ease. 3-speed settings and an assist mode help you stay in control, especially when working with softer materials to avoid overdriving. A clever reverse assist mode uses a gentle pulsing motion before switching to half speed for smoother screw removal and fewer stripped heads. Built with an all-metal chuck for durability and a bright LED light for better visibility, it is small in size but built for professional-grade performance. Part of the adaptive cutting system, this ionic drive 6.5-inch Plunge-Cut track saw delivers cordless power with precise, effortless cuts. Its 6-speed brushless motor conserves battery while cutting through materials up to 2 1/8 inches thick. Paired with the 62-inch guide track, the longest standard track available, it ensures straight, smooth, and splinter-free cuts in sheet goods. Bevel adjustments range from -1 to 47 degrees, giving flexibility for angled cuts. Safety is built in with a riving knife to reduce kickback and an anti-kickback switch to prevent backward movement on the track. The blade left layout is designed for right-handed users, providing clear visibility along the cut line. Finally, a cordless solution that changes the game. This Rebel 20-volt ionic drive pocket hole joiner combines drill and jig in one all-in-one unit for ultimate freedom on any project. Its brushless ionic drive motor powers fast, one-motion pocket hole drilling without being tied to a bench. Alignment is simple with clear indicator lines and reference marks, plus toolless depth and fence adjustments, plus micro-adjustable settings ensure precise, repeatable results. GripMax technology holds materials steady without clamping, and a chip collection bin with vacuum adapter keeps the workspace clean. Built with a tough cast metal frame, this joiner lets you work efficiently and flexibly, making professional quality pocket holes easier than ever. For straight, precise cuts in large sheets, this Rip-Cut Circular Saw Guide turns any circular saw into a guided cutting powerhouse. It works with full 4x8-foot sheets, helping you break them down accurately every time. The universal sled fits most left or right blade circular saws, jigsaws, or compact saws, secured with tool-free GripMax hold-downs. An oversized edge guide rides along the material, keeping your cuts perfectly aligned without needing drawn lines. The built-in measuring scale and adjustable lens cursor let you set and lock in cut widths up to 24 inches, making repeatable cuts simple and reliable. That covers all the newest Kreg tools coming soon. Share in the comments which ones you are most excited to try. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for tuning in.